This week's question for Ask Dr. Durie is an important one, and it relates to the IMF's Black Swan Research Initiative. And the question is, are clinical trials part of the Black Swan Research Initiative? And if so, how can I participate? So the answer is a definite yes. Clinical trials are a central part of the Black Swan Research Initiative because the MRD testing, the minimal residual disease testing, is the new method which is being used to assess the benefit of treatment within clinical trials. There are two types of clinical trials in which this MRD testing is being assessed. The more common method is one which is now going to be quite widely used, I think, and that is in which different combinations are going to be compared with each other. And they will be compared using this new endpoint of MRD negative. And so the question will be, does one combination produce a higher percentage of MRD negative versus another? And this could be a basis for saying very, very early on, is one treatment better than another? And so patients should be expecting to have this MRD testing as part of any trial that they might sign up to be participating in. There is a second type of trial, however, which is going to be started. It's not going to be so common. This is going to be a very specialized type of trial, and this is a trial in which there will be an effort to achieve the maximum response. And these are going to be what we call MRD zero trials, trials in which we try to adjust the treatment, to enhance the treatment, to achieve an MRD negative status, meaning that we will, at the level of the testing, have achieved evidence of no residual myeloma, no minimal residual disease detectable. And this is a very, very important type of trial, and this is on the pathway to what we think will be achieving cure for patients, sequentially different kinds of patients who might be amenable to this approach. Now, this second type of trial is a type of trial which is being developed right now, and there will be 2 or 3 trials announced later this year. And these will be widely advertised, and to answer the question of the patient, there will be an opportunity for patients to be aware of such trials and see if they might be eligible, and have an opportunity to perhaps travel to the site where these trials are opening, which will be across the US and also outside of the US, and have an opportunity to participate in this second type of trial. And so 2 types of trials, one in which MRD testing will be widely used, and then a second type, these so-called cure protocols, where there will be information provided and an opportunity to participate.